Howdy everybody. What we're doing today is we're fixing Brutus. The pump that I fixed, this gear pump that I resealed, don't leak, but either I finished it off or something. I didn't do something right because it has no power now. I always heard gear pump has real tight tolerances, but I don't know if me shimming it out a little bit shut it off, or if I put a piece of housing together wrong or something and shut it off. I don't think I did. No, it all went together like it come apart. But I don't know. Somehow there's bypass in there and it's not doing its thing. And I have no pressure or flow, either one. So, but the only goal was to get it together to get us down the road, kick the can down the road so we can get some wood moving and then fix it. Which kind of sucks for me because I got to do it twice. I hate doing stuff twice, but this time I have to do stuff twice. So we got the new pump sitting right there on that waddy, and the old pump we got to get out. So the reason I turned y'all on, oh yeah, it turned on, huh? The reason I turned y'all on is because I want you to see if this thing is a pain in the butt. Can you see right? To get apart because of the goop I put on there. We're gonna see how hard it is to unmarry these things. And we're gonna witness it together. So if I look stupid, y'all's here to see it. If it ain't bad, y'all's here to see that also. I think she budged. Not bad. Oh, not bad. Not bad. I'm here to tell you what. I told you. I told you what. All right. No dirt in the gear pump. The only pop I got open's that one. I probably better close it up. Did I say gear pump? I meant piston pump. This is a piston pump here. And they don't like trash. So you got to keep your trash out of these pumps. They don't like the trash, man. That's why these pumps are why forestry machines has the where you suck the oil in past the filters. That's why you gotta put in a forestry machine with the pump, because we're such dirty people. They know this of us and expect this of us, so they made it logger proof. Okay, here we go. I better have a plan. Oh baby, what is your problem? Oh my sack. Oh, driver, that sucked, I promise you. Whoo! 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 I'm a dealer for the people. Oh, Mommy got mad about that veggie. The dealer for the people veggie. Mommy got so mad at me. She said, that's terrible. And you're defecating his character. Hey, I'm not defecating anybody's character. I'm just saying, woo! Budget for the people. So, all right, now let me get this apart. Oh, that hurt my jewels pulling that pump out. They don't have much room to start with, and ow. And I got new suction lines. Oh, there you go. Beautiful. Figured I better get that accomplished. Okay, I gotta take a couple bolts out here. I'll turn the camera off, take these bolts out so I ain't burning up battery. All right, that's the last bolt. Let me give her the old love tap. That got us what we need to get. Oh yeah, oh, got right on my finger. Ow! Oh! Oh! Bless America. That's why Derek likes that black stuff. He calls it the good stuff. That's an O-ring made out of that black stuff. God love her, baby. It did its job, and it didn't grow in there too bad. That's the main thing I was worried about. Well, let me clean that up. Hey, Mitchell. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh. Hands, ow. Oh. Bless America. That put a whooping on me. Oh. Oh. See that chunk in my damn hand? Oh. Ow. That sucked. But we got her. All right, Dad shut the dozer off. He's walking up here. I should have took it out. I should have edited it out because of for sake of video, but I can't delete Dad anymore. It's like about bad as them to kids. Good morning.
Regular maintenance?
Does that look like regular maintenance?
Yeah. Yeah, it does. You got your
It's never regular maintenance with this bastard. I finally get it.
Well, you need to be using that other gun. I don't need to be using it. I ain't hurting anything.
What are you working on?
I might just blow my radiator out and be done if I.
Alright.
But that's just going to slow you down. I'm just going to get filth all over what you're doing, and I'm just getting a little over halfway anyhow. And I think I'm about done on this other stretch here, out there. So
I'll be done in a little bit.
Oh yeah, you ain't no hurry. Do this while you're in the same shade. Can you get it done while it's still half cool?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you. We're doing about 70,000 more than we're sawing safely a week,
Okay.
and that's 280,000 feet a month. If that gives you a rough idea, that's the minimum we're doing.
I was gonna say, I hope that's the minimum.
Now, so I mean, we should have at least a month and a half.
We've been doing that for a little while now, just on this job, right?
No, you know, we were gaining on the other one, or we wasn't losing the ours. So we had a few 100,000.
Well, then we'll be beating that pretty good now.
Yeah, we will. Yes.
Okay. And what are we looking for? Like 1.5 or 2?
Million. $1.5 million, you mean?
Yeah.
That would be a plenty, I would think, without a doubt.
Well, that's probably pretty easily attained, ain't it?
Oh yeah, very. Yeah. I got some scattered jobs down there, but they're not going to slow us down much.
No, especially if we can split up at times.
Yes. Yes.
That'll help us on that shit.
We figure them such as out and zap some of them out, and then go to really getting shit done again for a big job, you know.
Okay. I'll be down here in a little bit.
Oh, I ain't no hurry, wait. I'm just tickled to death.
What direction you going?
I'm actually doing this patch out to the end, and I actually shows that I hitting the line, and I know we're next to the line.
Okay.
But I ain't proven myself. Then we got this, and we're not touching this, but it's stockpiled, so it's easy to haul it in. I can fix that road to haul anything in over there we decide we want to haul in.
Yeah. All right.
And that puts us in mighty good shape, okay?
Okay.
But it'll take us 2 days plus over on this one yet, this away, to my opinion.
Okay. All righty.
So that'll put us pretty good for the week and setting for new ground, you know.
Yes.
We got no rain, 20% chance Sunday night and Monday.
What a turd. What a friggin' turd. I'll say a turd, boy. What a frickin' I'll say a big old turd, boy. My Sharona. My Sharona. Oh man, that ain't any good. That's gonna start eking. Might as well change that hose now. Great. Alright, we'll try this again. And I got the bowl the wrong way. So that's going kind of sick. Okay, they gave me this, this is the hose they sent me. It's just a clear see-through plastic, kind of like a food grade looking deal. I put it on there. My clamps didn't tighten down enough. First day I ran, it was a failure. It leaked everywhere. These clamps don't get tight enough, and I don't like it anyways. I'm afraid it's going to bust because the way this hydraulic tank's set up is it builds up pressure, and it's got a, it builds up positive pressure to push oil into these pumps. So it builds like, I don't know, 5-10 pounds of pressure in the tank max. But it swells that hose up and it makes it look like it's going to pop like a daggone pimple. And I'm like, daggone it. So I went ahead, we ran it one day, but it was a flop. I just wanted to make sure and share that with you guys. So I pulled it off and changed it back to a black hose. I actually got lucky and had a 1.5 inch hose in the shop. It was a suction line, a regular suction line, and it did good. Biscuit, man, that stuff gets me ticked off. Woo! Mercy! Woo! I'm so daggone happy. Everything's going pretty good. Old Brutus is behaving, just a slaying them. And Derek's down there, he's a slaying them too. Here's old hot sauce spooling up like a turbocharger. Morgan, he's been out there. Tiny's giving him fit on the electrical. And old boy said, I got it. And he went down there, got in the back of the alternator and the big charge wire going to battery. He fixed it himself. By the time I come out there, heck, he was done putting stuff up and ready to jump it off to get it started again. Pretty proud of that old boy. I gave him a big old thump on the back. I told him I was gonna make him up a little song. He's a mechanical man, he's got the fix-it plan. He'll get her back running as fast as he can. Oh.